Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro available on Android devices? So, I already installed the application what SOUNDPEATS offer for the earbuds, and if we open it, right here you can see that I already add these earbuds to the application, so my short answer is yes. But if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add it to the application, you can check that videos at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!